RMK Engineering College. The college has acquired 955 university ranks, 23 gold medals from the year 1919 to 2019, and 93.82% overall result in 2015 to 2019, and 96% graduates from inception. And the vision of the college is to be the most preferred destination in the country for pursuing education in engineering and its allied fields, and to transform learners into achievers at global level with right attitude towards changing social needs. And the mission is to develop the needed resources and infrastructure and to establish a conducive ambience for teaching and learning process, and to nurture in students professional and ethical values and to instill in them a spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship, and to interact with industries and other organizations to facilitate transfer of knowledge and know-how. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at RMK are Information Technology, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering. Cut-off marks for this college for various castes are: for OC it is from 185 to 190, and for BCM it is 178 to 185, for BC it is 184 to 188, and for MBC it is 178 to 185, for SC it is 146 to 165. RMK Engineering College has following facilities. The central library is covered with huge collection of 97,266 volumes and 26,181 titles covering the fields of science and engineering technology with international standard sources. The library has subscribed for the e-journal package for AICTE suggested IEEE, ASME, ASCE, IETE, IEI, DELNET, NDL, and subscribed of 93 journals and 102 national technical journals. The college is providing 700 number of books free of cost for meritorious students of their own choice to develop their interest in studies. Hostel. The hostel has separate library, reading room, shuttle courts, and a shop to facilitate the students. The hostel blocks also have STD facilities. The hostel is annexed with a kitchen to provide food at protected and hygienic environment along with dining halls which can accommodate more than 1,000 students at a time. Hospital. We have a clinic with full-time doctor and a dispensary with 2 beds. Also, we have 2 ambulance vans available for service. A medical shop is kept open till 9:30 p.m. Transport. The college has a fleet of 55 buses, 10 vans, and 16 cars to transport students and staff from Chennai to college and back. These buses operate along 10 routes starting from different points approximately between 6:30 and 6:45 am. The other facilities are gymnasium, physical education, Center for Foreign Languages, NSS, and YRC. RMK has following placement facilities with 360-degree structured training programs, 200 plus regular recruiters, 88% placement in 2016-2020 batch, and 28 LPA offer maximum salary. And the hyperlink https://www.rmkec.ac.in/tnp/reg.html shows the list of companies who have recruited students from RMK Engineering College. The result comparison from 2013 to 2017 for this college is from 81% to 87%. It was 81% in 2013, 87 in 2014, 85 in 2015, 86 in 2016, and 83 in 2017. Counseling code is 1113, and contact college at 044 6790 6790. The website is www.rmkec.ac.in. College is located at RSM Nagar, Kavaraipetai 601206, Gumadipundi Taluk, Tiruvallur district, and mail at principal@rmkec.ac.in.